Hey guys, welcome back to Helping Little Gems. Today we are going to see how to make mini watercolor flowers. These can be used to decorate your books, journals, assignments, projects, and they're super fun, very easy to make, and are also great for beginners who are trying their hand at art. So for this you will need an A4 size sheet of paper, a paintbrush. I'm using the same paintbrush for all the flowers, and it's best if you have a paintbrush that is thin like this. A watercolor palette. I'm using this, but you can use any palette that is available to you, and of course some water. So let's begin. So first we're going to begin with taking a little yellow, and we're going to create a cluster of flowers. So for the petals, we'll just make slight motions with the brush like so and create 3 or 4 petals like this. And add a little bit more to make it look bright, like so. Next, we'll take some green and create the stems. Just lightly drag the brush towards you. Like this. Now we'll go ahead and make the leaves. You can add as many or as little leaves as you like. And you can brighten up the stems by adding a little bit more color in whichever area of your liking. Next we'll take some brown and just add a little pop right in the center of the flowers. And there you have cute little cluster of sunflowers. So next we're going to make lavenders, and in this we're going to start with the stem first. So we'll just lightly bring the brush towards us. Just create the stems like so. Next we'll take purple. And make sure that the purple is really pigmented and you've taken a lot of color in the brush to make it look bright. And we're just going to go in with oval shapes around the stems like this. And you can take more color and make it bright. And you can even add maybe another stem if you like. So, and then take some purple again. And create a bunch of lavender flowers. The next flower we're going to make are roses. So with this we are going to start with a broken spiral like this. It can be small or big. And we just take some water and just spread the color out around the flower. And we can go ahead with the pink again and just add some more pigment right in the center. We'll make 2 of these. So again we go in with the broken spiral. Kind of like how the inside of a rose looks. You just go in with some water and spread the color on the outside. We take a little bit of pink again and add some pigment right in the center. Now for the stems, again we're going to take some green and lightly drag the brush towards you. And make the leaves. Pink again once the color is a little bit dry, and add some more pigment, and there you have cute roses. Lastly, we are making some cherries. So we start with taking some red and we create small red balls like this. Next we'll go in with some dark brown. You can even use black or any other shade of brown that you have. And just create small stems like this. I will make tiny leaves. And add a little brown on the top of the cherries. And there you have it. So I hope you enjoyed this mini tutorial on how to create these watercolor flowers. Like, share and subscribe to Helping Little Gems. Thank you for watching. Bye.